So here we have the Seat Leon on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 46,803. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information for various different things. We're on the car data menu or driving data menu at the moment, so lots of bits of fuel economy and trip computer information. We have an assist systems menu, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back around to driving data, all of which are accessed via these buttons just here. We have our stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control on this stalk back here, and then the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the main menu at the moment, which is accessed via this button. It then all becomes touchscreen. So for example, when it comes to the radio, this car's got DAB, FM and AM. If you want to listen to your own music, go to the media tab just there. Plenty of ways to listen to it, as you can see, and they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls once you paired your phone, which is done here, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. So pairing your phone is easy. Follow the instructions on screen and on your phone screen, of course. You've also got the ability with your phone, depending on the phone you have, to have either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay available on here as well. This car also has a visual guide to the front and rear sensors too. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. Air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, or hit auto. The car will then take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. Above that, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. And you can change the driving mode of the car as well. So up on the main screen, you can put the vehicle in eco, normal, sport or individual. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox, electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, 2 cup holders and some more storage, and a 12-volt charging socket underneath here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.